guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Right now it's, what time is it? Probably like 11:30, 12. It's 12 o'clock and I just finished doing my makeup and yeah, today I woke up at 8:30 as you know, and the reason why I woke up that early, I've been waking up at like 10, so that was early, is because I have work tomorrow and I need to wake up at 4:30 a.m. to go to work. Because my work starts at 6, so I have 45 minutes until I have to leave, and then anyways, so I needed to kind of fix my sleeping schedule, except that I went to sleep yesterday at like 1:30. So I was like, I'm gonna still put my alarm for 8:30 and sleep a little less so that I will be tired today evening so I can go to sleep earlier and then wake up fucking early. So I've had a pretty good morning because I've eaten, done my makeup, I cleaned my closet or my my walk-in closet. I made my bed and now I'm just chilling. I'm probably gonna go for a walk because gotta get some steps and that kind of thing. I just don't know if I'm gonna do it now or if I'm gonna do it in the evening. We'll see, we'll go with the flow. So today I don't really have anything planned. It was just important that I wake up early. I was thinking that I could go check if the washing machine downstairs is available and I could wash my clothes. We are gonna tackle this area. We're gonna clean this bitch. Because I wanna be productive today, so we are gonna be cleaning up my kitchen. Okay, and I'm gonna listen to an audiobook at the same time. I'm listening to this one. It's really good. Well, really good. It's good. It's good. It's okay. Yeah. Okay guys, look at my kitchen now. Looks so much better. Now I feel a lot better that my kitchen is also clean. Guys, I'm gonna make some brownies right now. My chair is making this annoying ass voice, by the way, sound. I'm gonna bake some brownies right now. The most simple brownies ever. It's the most easiest recipe ever. Now that I've made the brownie, I have to check out which clothes I am gonna wash. Which clothes I'm gonna wash? Oh! My contact lenses have arrived. Amazing. Okay guys, here's my clothes that I'm gonna wash. And after I've washed my clothes, I'm gonna make some food. Well, I'm gonna go put the washing machine on, and then I'm gonna start making food so that my brownie is a snack and not my dinner. But yeah, it's waiting here, it's cooling down. I'm gonna go put the clothes in the washing machine downstairs, and then I have to put together my clothing rack because it's still in the package, because I bought it like 2 days ago and I haven't washed my laundry in 2 days. At least 2 days, probably a week, like a week. But yeah. I have this grilled cheese that I cut up, and I'm gonna cook it in the pan. And then I have this gnocchi pasta that I'm gonna make, and then put some pesto in there. Okay guys, here is my ready pesto pasta. Looking really good. There's the grilled cheese, and wow. Guys, the pasta was so fucking good. So good. And now we're gonna taste test the brownie, okay? It's still a little warm from the bottom, but that's okay. We are still gonna try it, because why the fuck not? Why would we not? And we'll see if it's good or not. This is what it looks like. It looks really good. This is really good. The washing machine is almost done. I need to put this motherfucker together right now. How am I going to do that? I don't know. We'll see. First, let's see if there's instructions on this device. Yeah, I don't understand that. Anyways, let's just cut this, because no one needs instructions. Wait, I need the instruction. I feel like that's just fuck. Okay. So these kind of pieces fell out. What are you guys? Oh, these are like, okay, now I get it. These things that you put there so it stays on the floor, like it doesn't scrape your floor. But why are these not like installed? Why are these like separate plastic? Why can't this be just like already there, is my question. But anyway, let's see if I can do this. So if these are the feet, wait, I need the instruction. Okay, now let's see. The most difficult part about these drying rack things is to open them and close them. Actually, opening them is usually pretty easy, but closing them is like a piece of fucking ass. Piece of cake? No. Piece of ass? Yes. Okay, let's see if I can do this on the first try. Okay. Oh, that was easy. I did it. I fucking did it. Now we just need to find a place for it, because it can't be right there. And I have like no room to put it in. It's there now. I have to go empty the washing machine soon. Okay guys, I'm gonna hang my clothes here and listen to my audio book at the same time. Guys, look what I did. Those lights are so fucking cute. I just put them up because it's Christmas. Christmas is coming. It's almost December. 5 days, 6 days until December. So I'm putting my lights up. Guys, I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna start getting ready to go to bed. Like, I have to go to bed in like 2 hours. So I'm gonna start getting ready and like mentally preparing myself, because tomorrow's the early wake up. Today was kind of fun, really chill day, kind of boring but not. But yeah, I'm kind of tired. And yeah, thank you for spending the day with me. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll hopefully see you soon in the next one. We'll see. We'll see. Bye guys.